Hey everybody, I picked up this Craftsman set the other day at the flea market. It's the 7-piece metric. Comes with, let's see here, 8, 10, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. Excuse me, not 18. It skips to 18, it goes to 19. So it's skipping the 9, 11, 16, and 18. I don't like skips. I don't think any mechanical set should come with skips, even though a lot of sockets skip to 20. First part is short. Here's their gear wrench 17. There's the Craftsman 17. Definitely short. It's wider this way. Okay, so it's not wider. It's about as thick this way, but it's more of a square, and this is, you know, kind of a bullnose, I guess, rounded off. The head is tight, no movement at all in that head. There is an arrow indicator. The head's tight back and forth. There is some back drag, well, it's quite a bit of back drag. I expect back drag on a brand new tool. A week of using should start to loosen up. Gears feel fine. This is the Icon. That's Pittsburgh Pro. That's gear wrench. As you see, the gear wrench is a little bigger than the three of them. There's not much difference, but when you put this to Craftsman there, there's a big difference. Head size, pretty equal. Width, pretty equal. Thickness, Craftsman is a little thicker, I think. Nope. Oh, maybe just a hair. Craftsman looks a little bulkier, but it's not really much of a difference. Next to the gear wrench, next to the Icon, it's definitely thicker than the Icon. A lot thicker than the Pittsburgh Pro. It feels like it's, I don't know, firm. You feel this one, it feels nice. That was the Icon. The gear wrench feels nice. Pittsburgh Pro feels nice. This one just has a different feeling in the hand, like almost like you want to put a lot of power behind it. And yeah. Meanwhile, these just feel like a normal wrench, but these make you want to almost grip up and like start yanking. They feel like they can definitely hold some power behind them. Does it say how many teeth this is? It probably does. My eyesight's been messing with me lately. Kind of seen a blur on that. Everything is stamped. Indicator is stamped. You know, pretty good stamping. You can read the 17mm pretty good. But I don't know, it's just, it fits good in the hand. The business side of it, the open end. The open end is a little bigger, I think. open end's definitely a little longer. I don't know if you can see that, but the open end on the gear wrench has actually got a bigger opening. I don't know how well you see that. So it definitely looks like it's going to be a tighter wrench. The head looks like it's going to be a tight head. And we all know gear wrench. I mean, most of us know gear wrench anyway. Gear wrench is more rounded off than the Craftsman. It's definitely a mid. That's one of the reasons why I purchased it. That, and it was like 30 bucks for a brand new set. You know, because it's at the flea market. But flex head ratchet wrenches, I always like. And so we figured I'd check them out. The head feels really strong. The wrench just feels strong. And it's definitely not as slim as the V series. The head is not as loose as the V series by any means. And I say loose, I mean like the back drag. It just feels like a strong ratchet. And I don't know, maybe because of the way it's designed. It fits the hand really good. And then that's how, if I'm putting power to something, I put the head in my hand like this. The gear wrench just feels a lot smaller. And I'm comparing it, and it's not really that much smaller. Well, it's not much of a difference, but the Craftsman just feels like you want to put some power behind it. But yeah, that's my thought of the Craftsman ratchet wrench flex head. I will be using them. I think I'm going to put this set in my pit and crank down on it, see what it does. Later, folks.